Wow, look guys, it's a pile of red muddy toys. Wow, so many kind of toys. Let's check it out guys. What is that? So muddy guys. Let's collect them guys and then we'll clean them up. Wow, so much trucks, cars. Wow, rescue bots. What is that? Amazing guys. Let's collect them all. Almost done guys. The last one. Let's go. Let's start cleaning guys. The first one guys. Wow, what kind of truck is this? We do. It's fire truck guys. Wow, so amazing guys. Next guys. Wow, looks like a superhero. What is that? It's Batman guys. Wow, so cool. Next. Wow, another truck. Wow, yellow cement mixer truck guys. Wow, it's huge. Wow, next guys, another truck. Whoa, ho, ho. It's a yellow dump truck guys. Wow, amazing guys. Next, wow, it's big guys. We do. It's a gas fuel truck guys. Wow, so cool guys. Next, wow, looks like a car. Wow, a blue racing car guys. Wow, so fast. Next, wow, another car. Weedy, this one is green racing car guys. Wow, it also fast. Next, wow, rescue bots guys. Weedy, it's Blade's rescue bots.
Neurotic Copterbot Blaze would be way more comfortable if he wasn't a helicopter.
Wow, what a cool robot guys. Next, another rescue bots. Wow, it's Bumblebee guys. Wow, very cool. Next, wow, looks like a truck. Wow, it's wheel excavator truck guys. Wow, amazing guys. Next, wow, another rescue box. Weedy, Heatwave rescue bots guys.
Appointed by Optimus Prime himself, Heatwave, the hot-headed leader of the rescue.
Wow, a cool firefighter guys. Next. Whoa, an orange monster truck guys. Wow, it has a horn. So cool. The last one guys. Wow, it's Optimus Prime guys. Wow, he is my favorite guys. Alrighty guys, it's all clean now. Thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you on the next video. Bye.